The lead investigator in the Karen Reed murder trial will be back on the stand today.
So Michael Proctor's testimony so far this week was nothing short of explosive, and some say the damage from his testimony may have already been done.
NBC 10's Lauren Melendez is live for us in Dedham right now. Lauren, can we expect this same intensity in court today?
Well, I can tell you if his testimony was anything like what we heard Monday, I would imagine so. Of the more than 50 witnesses we've heard from during trial so far, Michael Proctor's testimony may have been the most damaging. He read aloud on the stand some very vulgar text messages that he shared with friends, family, even bosses pertaining to Karen Reed.
From all accounts, he didn't do anything wrong. She's a whack job. I text my wife waiting to lock this whack job up.
So those were text messages that Trooper Proctor sent to his inner circle during his investigation into John O'Keefe's death, describing Karen Reed's appearance, even calling her, as you just heard, some very disturbing names. He admitted that his messages were regrettable. He called them unprofessional, but his words have now transcended the trial, and it's even shining a spotlight on state police. And now, guys, trial experts, even former police officers, are concerned this case may be over.
Testimony about the text messages was extremely damaging to the prosecution's case and potentially fatal.
So the prosecution is still painting Reed as a murderer. They believe she is guilty of hitting John O'Keefe with her car and leaving him to die in the snow. Reed's lawyers maintain this is a cover-up by law enforcement, highlighting that Proctor was a close family friend of the Alberts, the family who owned the home where O'Keefe's body was found. Now, Proctor again maintains that his comments have had no bearing on the investigation that he was doing or its integrity. He will be back on the stand today to be cross-examined by Reed's lawyers. Reporting here in Dedham, I'm Lauren Melendez, NBC 10 Boston.
Well, you can watch today's testimony live on our website, YouTube page, and on NECN. Don't forget our recap show, Canton Confidential, weeknights at 7, right here on NBC 10 Boston.